Let's stir up these Rolo Ritz bars, one of the easiest dessert and the most delicious dessert bars you'll ever make. What you need for this, believe it or not, are just 3 ingredients. 1 box of Ritz crackers, 1 pack of Rolo minis, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I like to use the Eagle brand for the condensed milk, but you can certainly use what you have at home. Here, we're gonna take our Ritz and put it into a bowl. And what we're gonna do is just mash these by hand. You do not wanna use a blender because you wanna keep these a little bit coarse to add some texture to your bar. So when it looks like this, you know you're ready to add your condensed milk in here. Just make sure you get it all out of the can. And then you're gonna add your mini Rolos in here. It sounds so simple, guys, but it tastes amazing. Just mix this really well. Keep stirring it till it all binds nicely and forms like a bit of a gooey texture. And when it starts to look like this, you know you're almost ready. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna take a square pan, just like this. You're gonna line it with some butter and you're gonna take your entire mixture and add it in here. In the background, you can certainly preheat your oven at 375 degrees. So we're gonna take our mixture, add it to our pan. I'm using a square pan. You can certainly use a rectangle pan as well. I just wanna cut them into nice, even squares. So get it all out, and what you wanna do is you can take a fork or a spatula and you wanna press gently and get to each and every corner of your baking dish. So it's covered and you know when you're gonna cut it later on. Just like this, it forms perfect squares. So now this is ready to go into our preheated oven. I've added it in there and I'm just putting the time as 10 minutes. That's all I need. My oven is pretty fast, but you could go up to 20 minutes if you want it to be a bit more darker, but this is just the perfect temperature that I found. Looks like this, a light golden brown, and this is a serving. Look how delicious those layers look, my goodness. Here are the easy ingredients once again for you to screenshot. Definitely give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for some more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.